Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of a liquid gold that's been making waves in kitchens and beauty routines, avocado oil. Get ready to explore the numerous benefits of this versatile oil, learn how to incorporate it into your daily life, and discover the secrets to achieving the best results. So, grab a seat, and let's unlock the wonders of avocado oil together. Avocado oil is a vegetable oil that is extracted from the pulp of the avocado, a delicious and versatile fruit scientifically known as Persea americana. This exquisite vegetable oil has gained popularity in cooking, the cosmetic industry, and medicine thanks to its incredible richness in nutrients and health benefits. With its distinctive dark green color and smooth texture, avocado oil has become a favorite choice for those looking for a healthier, more natural alternative to other oils. High concentration of healthy fatty acids, avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid, which is similar to olive oil. These fatty acids are beneficial for cardiovascular health, as they can lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good, cholesterol. Powerful antioxidant, avocado oil contains antioxidants such as vitamin E, which helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and premature aging. Skin benefits, avocado oil is known for its moisturizing properties and its ability to nourish the skin. Its content of vitamin E and essential fatty acids makes it an excellent choice for keeping skin soft and supple, as well as helping to reduce inflammation and relieve irritation. Improves hair health, applying avocado oil to your hair can help moisturize, strengthen it, and improve its overall appearance. The oil penetrates the hair, providing essential nutrients and helping to reduce dryness and breakage. Immune system support, the antioxidants present in avocado oil, such as lutein and beta-carotene, help strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and diseases. Helps nutrient absorption, the presence of healthy fats in avocado oil can help improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, when consumed along with other foods. Avocado oil can improve the absorption of carotenoids present in other foods, such as lutein in green leafy vegetables, which increases their eye health benefits. Eye health support, the antioxidants present in avocado oil, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. The monounsaturated fatty acids in avocado oil can help lower triglyceride levels and blood pressure, which in turn decreases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Anti-inflammatory properties, avocado oil contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for people with chronic inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Blood sugar regulation, some studies suggest that avocado oil might improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, which would be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Protective effects for the brain, the antioxidants and healthy fats in avocado oil may have protective effects on the brain and could be linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties, some components of avocado oil, such as linoleic acid, have shown antimicrobial and antifungal activity, which can help fight infections on the skin and scalp. Promotes satiety and weight management, the healthy fats in avocado oil can help increase feelings of fullness after meals, which can be beneficial for weight management. Reduces the risk of metabolic diseases, some studies suggest that avocado oil may have beneficial effects on markers of metabolic health, such as blood glucose levels and lipids in people with metabolic problems. Fights aging, thanks to its antioxidant content, avocado oil can help reduce the signs of aging and maintain younger, healthier skin. Wound healing, the anti-inflammatory and nourishing properties of avocado oil will contribute to faster and more effective healing of wounds and minor burns on the skin. Although avocado oil has many health benefits, it can also have some contraindications and side effects in certain situations. Allergies. As with any food, some people may be allergic to avocado or its derivatives, including avocado oil. Allergic reactions can range from mild symptoms, such as itching or swelling, to severe reactions such as shortness of breath or anaphylaxis. If you experience allergic symptoms after consuming or applying avocado oil, you should avoid using it and seek medical attention if necessary. High-calorie. Avocado oil, like any other type of oil, is a concentrated source of calories. It contains approximately 120 calories per tablespoon, 15 milliliters. On its own, avocado oil is not fattening in the sense that it does not cause weight gain by itself. However, if consumed in excess and without taking into account its caloric value, it can contribute to weight gain. Gastrointestinal effects. In some people, excessive consumption of avocado oil can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as stomach pain, diarrhea, or discomfort. If you experience these symptoms, reduce the amount of avocado oil in your diet or avoid it altogether. Skin reactions. Although avocado oil is commonly used in skincare products, some people may experience skin irritation or allergy when using it topically. It is advisable to test a small area of skin before using it on larger areas. The benefits of avocado oil can be obtained mainly through its use in cooking and topical applications on the skin and hair. Healthy cooking. Avocado oil is an excellent alternative to other vegetable oils for cooking. You can use it for frying, roasting, or sautéing food. Salad dressing. Avocado oil is a delicious salad dressing, bringing a mild and fruity flavor to your dishes. Mix the oil with lemon, balsamic vinegar, or your favorite herbs and spices to enhance its flavor. Moisturizing for the skin. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, which makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for the skin. Apply a few drops of avocado oil to your skin after bathing to keep it soft and hydrated. Hair treatment. Use avocado oil as a hair treatment. Apply a generous amount of avocado oil to your hair and scalp, massage gently and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. This will help nourish the hair, strengthen it, and improve its overall appearance. Relaxing massages. Avocado oil can also be used as a massage oil. Its soft texture and nourishing properties make it an excellent choice for relaxing muscles and skin during a massage. Treatment for dry or cracked skin. Avocado oil is especially beneficial for people with dry or irritation-prone skin. You can apply it directly to dry or cracked areas to relieve discomfort and promote skin regeneration. Makeup removal. Avocado oil can be used as a natural and gentle makeup remover to remove makeup without irritating the skin. Skin and hair care products. Look for skin and hair care products that contain avocado oil as the main ingredient. These products can provide additional benefits for hydration and nourishment of the skin and hair. And that's a wrap on our adventure through the fantastic realm of avocado oil, a true gift from nature packed with benefits for your well-being and lifestyle. Now armed with this knowledge, you can savor its goodness in the most effective ways. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow avocado enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear from you, so drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights about health, flavor, and enhancing your daily routine. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Remember, just like avocado oil enriches your dishes and self-care, knowledge enriches your mind. Stay vibrant and stay well.